Hey, 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 how in the world is everybody doing? Good to see you today. I wanted to hop on, give a quick video in for everybody. It's been sort of a mixed week. Had a range day or so, and then some big sell off. We've got the Powell speech tomorrow at Jackson Hole. That's sort of what the market is waiting on, sort of what holding everything up. So we're going to see what happens tomorrow with the rate cuts and see what he's going to do and announce. Should be a big reaction. If you're looking for a place to come trade, tap the description in this video. It's going to be the top link. Got a link in there for the Stocks with Josh Discord. I'm a Crown trader over there. I do live trading 3 days a week on my own and 2 days a week with Josh. Be happy to help you. Also do one-on-one coaching and small group coaching. So those are some things you're interested in. Please hit the Discord link. Join us today. It is worth every penny. I promise you that. You're going to learn a lot, and that's the most important thing. We do pretty well too with all of our trading going on, but we're in there doing day trading, options. We're doing crypto. There's something in there for everybody. Long-term investing, swing trading, skips, leap options, anything you're looking for. Lots of information in there. If you join, take your time, go slow, and learn the Discord a little bit and learn how to navigate around. This is the big news right now. This is what everybody's waiting on, Mr. Powell. So give us some decent news, Mr. Powell. See what we can get. See what we can get going on. And I want to take you over to today. We had a pretty successful trade this morning, a couple of trades this morning. And the first one was Google. And I think the second one we got some SPY. But I'm going to go look at the SPY for you right fast. And we'll go ahead and check out Google too right quick while we're doing this. I'm on TradingView here, y'all. This is the best charting software out there. All these lines and daily lines that I get every day plot for you for your opening range and your pre-market structure. All sorts of different tools over here. I can show you how to use that stuff if you want to come over and join. This was Google this morning. This is how we day trade. We trade momentum out of the gate a lot of times, and after our first 15 minutes we take momentum trades and we scalp options on them. Today one of the only things moving this morning was good old Google. It finally gave us a trade. Amazon got a quick flush. Most of these other stocks were stuck in a range all day. You'll see here's Palantir. Apple finally broke down a little bit later in the day. AMD the same, just not much movement. Apple gave a little bit at the open and then stuck in the range. We were able to grab the SPY for a day trade, and we were able to grab Google for a day trade. This is my 8-panel setup. We run the Mag 8 over there. Usually that's what we day trade on. Today was Google. We did it very well. We were patient. We waited on our entry. We waited on our line to be broke. We took our trade to the upside. 20 to 30% some people got. So this was a great trade. I can show you how to use these indicators. This is the MACD. This is the RSI. RSI broke my good line here right in front of market open and started shooting us up with momentum. The MACD gave us a cross right here and a buy signal right there. We had a bunch of different signals here giving us the up move on good old Google here. SPY was a little bit of a different story. SPY took a little while to break out today, but we did get it. Here was our break on SPY. As this was a lot of range for pre-market on the SPY. This is how I look at this often. You notice our first 30 minutes here, we stayed in this range, right? We created our morning market structure and we tested pre-market low. We were unable to break it for about a half an hour. Once we finally broke it, this is what we took to the upside. I got it one time here, got wicked out. So you have to reverse sometimes. Sometimes you just got to pivot. Sometimes you got to change your outlook on the day. It's not always gravy. It's not always gravy, baby. Sometimes we get great big sell-off days like this. Sometimes we get big rip days to the upside. Sometimes we just get small moves. But we were able to capitalize on 2 good small moves this morning and still walked away green on the day. That's what we do over here at the Stocks with Josh Discord. If you're interested in learning, if you're interested in help with your trading journey, guys, I promise you, this is the place to be. We teach you how to day trade. We teach you fundamentals. We can teach you long-term investing. If you're interested in crypto, if you're interested in just about anything to do with the stock market, this is the place to be. Let's get an outlook on the SPY now, what we got going on, what kind of levels we got. And we'll get this on a 1 hour time frame for you. Going to hide these indicators here. And we're going to look at the past couple of weeks, okay? This is the fixed range volume profile. Initially, my level for this week to break to the downside was 642. You can see I gave this to everybody a few days ago. This was the level to get under for a flush, and this is what it took to give us that flush. This was the upper volume shelf right here, okay? Once we got up here and consolidated, we're unable to start making new highs, right? With the news coming and the market running really hot and frothy right now, we were due for a little bit of a pullback. Here was our entry 3 days ago. I gave everybody this level. This has been 642 all the way to 633 now, and we've almost retested that again today on a dip. This seems to be our line in the sand. If we were to break it, we've got some decent support here sitting at 633. Right now we're back into this volume shelf in the middle here, okay? This is where we're at. In between these two ranges. We did close over it. So hopefully we're going to stay in between 638 and somewhere in the neighborhood 635 is where we would like to stay. Anything dipping too hard under 635 can shoot us back to 633 easily. Okay, here's your next level. Under 632, if we were to start losing it, we could get to 629 pretty easy. And then 627 right about in there. Yeah, 627. These are a few levels I'm looking at. Resistance above us right now, 638. If we break through 638, I will be watching for almost 640, 639.75 for a run back to 642. This is how I do it, guys. I play a level at a time. You keep control. You control your position size. You control your risk management that way. You control your levels. You're not playing for stuff 5 weeks from now or a year from now. We're intraday trading, so we control our exposure. We control all of our position size and how we get in and out of these trades using momentum and oscillators. So right now on the daily time frame, we are still technically in bullish hands. These two lines are above the 0 line of the MACD. The RSI is still above 50. So I am setting an alert on the daily time frame. This RSI starts dropping below 50. We could start losing another level. this blue line is going to start inching its way on down towards the 0 line here, which is a little bearish leaning, I will say. A little bit bearish leaning. It's going to depend on the news tomorrow, what kind of news we get with the rate cuts from the Fed chair, okay? Keep your eye on that tomorrow. Don't go in crazy with risk. There will be money to be made tomorrow. If you're interested in live trading, we are going to live trade it tomorrow. Friday, August 22nd will be tomorrow. So, all right, come join us. Come be part of the community. Stocks with Josh Discord. My name is Michael, a.k.a. the Spy Lord. That's my channel. Be sure to hit the like, the subscribe for me. That helps me grow. I'm trying to grow this thing, and so I can be here for you guys every day. All right. Love you. Peace. Much love. Much love. All right. I'm out of here.